Welcome to Doris Visits. We're doing a little bit of decorating because it's lockdown 2020. I guess everybody is. But I'm doing a little trick here because you know how, one, expensive paint is, and two, you do that top coat and it just doesn't look right. And you go, oh, I've got to give it another coat, and sometimes 3 coats. Well, the reason is, sometimes, not always, is because the paint is mixing with dirt, a layer of dirt. And that means as you put it on, it turns a bit dull and you need to put a second layer on to spark it up. Have a look at this wall over here. Now that wall looks like it's just been painted, doesn't it? It's absolutely spot on and shining. It's fantastic. And it's not been painted yet. I have not touched it. Let me show you the secret. This is an old toilet brush and my favourite Lidl drill, which is fantastic. So look, I'll show you what I've done. I broke the handle off an old toilet brush and put a bolt through it. So it's now a nice soft brush. It goes in my drill, and with a little bit of Cif or some other good washing liquid, I'm actually scrubbing the walls very quickly, running them down with water and then drying them. Now, they actually look like they don't need painting now, but one coat will make them look top. So that's the secret. I'm not suggesting everybody does it, and you should do the wall cleaning before you paint the ceiling because it scatters water, dirty water everywhere. So cover the carpets, make sure you're going to do the ceiling afterwards, clean the walls with your brush. So simple. And then it's ready for the top coat. So clean the walls, paint the ceiling, then paint the walls. One thing you have to do is rinse off the walls just with a clean cloth and some clean water, and you'll find a lot of soap comes off, so you may need to do that more than once. But look at the result. I'm standing here thinking I don't even need to paint this room, and this has not been decorated for over 15 years. Now the problem is we've just moved the television, so I have a big hole in the wall that's been plastered in the other room, and that has to be painted. So if I paint that room, this is going to be a different colour. So after I've finished all the decorating and all the other jobs, we might be back at sea. But if not, I'll be writing the 6th book in the cruise ship crime investigator series. The 5th one, which is called Disastrous COVID-19 Cruise Romance, it's actually in competition, so it's not been published yet. But if you watch out, you will see our ABC of cruising, which is also out soon. So do catch up on the books. Thank you.
Please subscribe to our channel.